So how do you remove the flashlight and camera from iPhone lock screen? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So on your home screen, the lock screen actually, right? Hold down on it to go to this like edit mode. Tap on customize below and you can see at the bottom we have the ability to click on the minus icon next to the flash as well as next to the camera. And when you remove it, you can leave it blank, right? So there is nothing that's going to be there on the lock screen, or you have the ability to tap on the plus button and choose from all of these controls. And as you can see, there are actually plenty of them available, right? So you can not only remove the flashlight and camera, but you can also replace it with something that you might find more useful. So that's a good idea to do, of course. And yeah, that's how it functions. You can as well just access the camera by swiping on the lock screen. So perhaps you don't need two methods of accessing the camera, right? So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the next upcoming videos.